Alrighty, fellas and fellas, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team. And if you're new here, welcome. If you're new here, been doing a turbo project. If you see that gold right there, that's some heat wrap for the intake piping. If you're not new here, I installed the turbo. Alright, had quite a bit of issues. I'll go over that with you tomorrow. I'm going to put the small tires on tomorrow and see how it acts. I got the startup tune in it. That's all it is a startup tune. It's not the run it and gun it tune and you're ready to go tune. It's just to get it going. All right, and it's pretty good. Truck runs great. I don't think I'm going to have to worry about it not daily driving very well. It drives very well. I've been driving it all day long, you know, testing the systems and whatnot and making sure that the scavenge pump, the oil system's working. Everything seems to be working decently now after it exploded a couple times. All right, not gonna lie, there's oil everywhere. Sucks. Things happen. All right, so here's some sample videos. All right, everything's not, it's gonna need a lot of work, guys. All right, it's gonna need a lot of work. I'm probably gonna need to get another spring there for the blow-off valve. I might need to replace the spring in the wastegate. I feel like it's only opening up at like 3 or 4 psi. It's supposed to be 5. I might put the 6.5 spring in there and see what happens. We'll see. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to put the small tires on it. I don't know if I mentioned that. Tomorrow I'm gonna do some work on it and we'll see what happens. All right, here's a little sample video of kind of driving around and whatnot. All right, sounds pretty badass. This has been a tough deal. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This has been pretty tough. If I had the money, I might have paid someone else to do it. But then again, I might have went ahead and done it myself again. I just like doing stuff myself. All right, here's some sample bits. Alright, dudes, I'm out driving around. I noticed I already got to make a lot of changes. Wasn't that easy. Still isn't. Sounds good. It'll boost. Don't know what's reading right, if anything's reading right at all. I don't know, man. But it is pretty badass right now. Sounds good. Can't tell if the boost gauge is reading correctly or what. I don't know. The wastegate opens up. I can hear that opening with the cutouts closed. Either it's just like boosting really, really low, or the wastegate's opening really soon, or I don't know. I think it's just opening too soon. Let's go give them some. Feels like it's got a lot more power than it did before. Not, getting too crazy, kind of taking it easy on it. It'll boost up. I got some issues I got to take care of for sure. Might end up needing another wastegate spring. Getting the trans a little hot, running around having some fun. Don't worry about my AFR. Don't worry about the AFR. The AFR is not reading correctly. The cutout is open. Okay? Alrighty. Just doing some tests. Need to make a lot of changes. Pretty badass right now.